To change your default PDF viewer on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your default PDF viewer on your MacBook. So it is very simple. All you have to do is just simply open the PDF that you would want to open in your MacBook, and you want to change the default viewership of that particular document. So for example, I want to change the default PDF viewer for all the documents that I use in my MacBook. So just select one PDF of your choice. For example, I'm taking this one. Just simply right press on that, and after that click on get info. And as soon as you click on it, you will be able to see this particular tab. And over here, in order to change the default settings of the viewership of the PDF, all you have to do is simply click on open with. And as soon as you click on it, you will have the preview option. Just simply click on the drop down menu. And over here, you have a bunch of different options. You can also go ahead and, include other default options that you would want to use as the PDF viewer. You can add and install Adobe or any other PDF viewers of your choice. So yeah, that's how you will be able to change your default PDF viewer on Mac. I hope you find this video to be helpful.